y'all doing today? It's Calvin Ralls, Jerry McKim, up here in Chad Lamberth on the camera. We're up here in the Ozark National Forest, miles away from any civilization. We drove in some pretty rough terrain, hiked down to the creek. As you can see, we got our packs on. Basically packed in all the gear that we needed to come down here and fish today. We're on the South Fork of the Little Red River. It feeds, it's one of the streams that feeds Greer's Ferry. Heber Springs comes in there at Clinton. We're up here fishing for smallmouth, rock bass, and perch.
Fishing, looking at bank lines all up here. How y'all doing today? We're out here in this creek. We've been out about 2 miles down this creek. Caught about 20 fish. If we get down here a little ways, we're gonna stop, cook some up for dinner. We'll show y'all how to do a little creekside cooking. We just gotta catch them up.
I got to cover your camera with. Try that again. Well, guys, this is what we've been doing all day right here. Wearing out the little stream fish up here on South Fork of the Little Red River in the Ozarks. Get this dude undone here. He's got it buried up pretty good. He must be hungry.
We're going to show you how to cook some fish on the side of the bank. You ever get out? You get out and get stranded. You can do this. Make you a little rack to hold your fish with. You'll be able to eat at least. Put some rocks up here to hold all your big rocks. Always make sure you carry a coat hanger with you. Coat hangers are good for anything. I keep one of my pouch just for the occasion. I can get that there. Now then, we just got to get a fire going. You're on these flooded banks and stuff. All the water's been high this spring. This makes a real good fire starter. Got a bunch of twigs in it, a bunch of leaves, just a bunch of old grass. Perfect getting a fire started. Good and dry. Just put it down here in the middle. We'll get us some logs, put on top of it. We'll have a good little fire going. We got our little fire going. We've had a little over 12 inches of rain in 2 weeks. All this has been underwater. All the leaves and sticks, it's all starting to dry out. Makes real good kindling for getting a fire going. All these trees, little sticks, logs, little logs like this, all driftwood, makes real good fire started. Gets a fire going here, we'll cook it up. Little fish. Alright, today we've been fishing all the way down this creek. We're about 3 miles out from where we parked the truck. We walked in probably a half mile or so. We come down here, we're cooking a little fish, a little bass, a little rock bass. We wanted to show y'all how to do that. What we've done is took a coat hanger and run through the mouth, come out the tail. That way you can put it between these rocks and cook it. You need to turn it over every 5 minutes or so. It's probably been on there for 15. Cook it till the juice runs out of it, and all the juices run out of it, it's done. It's ready to eat. So I'm fixing to pull it off. I washed this rock off. I washed this rock off in the creek a while ago. I'm gonna lay it up here and pull it off here. See what it's like. The skin's dry. It'll just peel back. You just peel it off there, and it'll leave all your fish there, all your good meat. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? We'll get that out of the way there. And then you got all this good fish to eat. Turn it up there so you can see it. And what we've done, we've even left the guts in there. That way the juices and water inside the guts will keep everything moist for the cooking. Then when you get done, you just peel it out of here and eat it. Boy, that is good. Watch out for the bones though. Anyway, that's a good tip on how to creekside cook.
Taking a day out here, fishing these Arkansas waters, and catching you some fish. Remember, Creekside Cooking, our partner Jerry McKim, he'll show you how to cook it up. Y'all come on back to ArkansasTournamentFishing.com for information on Arkansas fishing. Keep fishing alive.
All right, folks, we'll see y'all next time on ArkansasTournamentFishing.com.